Can you just stand there just so I get an idea? I'm pretty sure I got a good...
Depends on if you're going to stand in front or behind.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Generally speaking.
Stand behind, yeah, I guess. All right, jet ski fans, we're out at the Jet Ski Brothers as...
Yeah, they'll like having that in the back. It's authentic.
All right, jet ski fans, we're out at the Jet Ski Brothers. Oh, they're much now.
It's really come by.
Hello there, jet ski fans, and welcome to another video. Today we're hanging out with the Jet Ski Brothers. I'm actually hanging out with them for a week, and I am trying a bunch of their skis. Today we're trying something that is a little bit intense. In a second I'm going to have Josh tell you guys a little bit about this. I have watched all their videos on it, and if you guys haven't, well, shame on you. It'll be linked below and all that stuff, and pop-ups and wow, and whiz-bang and stuff. But yeah, this is a...
It is a jet ski made by Yamaha. A Yamaha jet ski.
Yamaha jet ski, okay.
Of course.
So it started out life as a GPR-1200.
Yes, so Wave Runner GPR-1200, and this particular ski had really low hours on it, so I decided to do something cool with it. And when I got it, it was blown up, but it had low hours. So I actually bought the FZR, which is the V8 jet ski. I bought that for the engine to put in this. So the 1.8 liter supercharged Yamaha SHO engine.
Cool. So we'll take a little break here and say that he did just say V8 jet ski. It is another Yamaha jet ski, of course, because why not? And I will be trying that. Actually, you've already seen that video. If you haven't, again, shame on you. Go back and check it out. I've already ridden the V8 jet ski. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys, but yeah, be sure to go check that out, and also check it out on his channel. He's got a whole playlist of V8 jet ski stuff, and it has gone through a huge iteration, lots of changes, and it's still being perfected. So back to this one.
Any of you guys familiar with these GPR skis will know that the engine that they come with is very hard to work on. So when Yamaha came out with their 1.8 liter supercharged engine, they did us a huge favor and made the engine mounts the exact same as they are on the GPR. It was Yamaha's way of saying, I'm sorry that we did that horrible thing to you guys, and you can go ahead and bolt a supercharged engine right into the ski.
Quite unexpectedly, I've actually got to meet Caleb while we're doing the introduction to this ski, and he has one final question for Josh, so let's have it.
Yes, that's right. Can we ever actually invent a jet ski that can go all the way to Canada one day? Or is that just some random idea I came up with the moment I heard you actually came here?
Well, Joel actually rode his jet ski from Canada to here, so...
I actually did do that.
Oh, so he actually rode this thing all the way from here to...
Not this, my jet ski, so...
His Yamaha jet ski.
My Yamaha jet ski, yeah.
His Yamaha XT jet ski.
Oh, really? Then maybe I can pitch one final idea that might make it someday.
Okay.
So what would happen if you took, like, I've seen a ton of engine swaps on my cousin's channel before, like the V8 jet ski, whatever fill in the blank engine name I can't think of right now, pretty Pegasus, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
What would happen if you took something like a Maserati, like something extremely speed demon, and put that in a ski like that?
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's what I said to him too. Everybody else was like, "Oh, it's too expensive, Caleb. It could never be done. It's too expensive."
Yeah,
I said it's a good idea.
No, you were one of the people that flat out disagreed. I'm sorry, but look, if we have to learn, if we have to learn one valuable lesson in life today, is that life in front of the camera isn't always what's behind it. So please treat people with respect. That means you too, Josh.
And cut.
Did Caleb live up to everything you expected?
Yes, that was great. All right, folks, so far today I've driven a Wave Blaster that has an overheating issue, and a Wave Raider, the Jet Ski Dad's Wave Raider, and yeah, that was pretty sketchy handling. And now I'm about to try the SHO, the Interceptor, so that should be interesting. I'm kind of a little bit nervous. Jason is currently out on the water trying his Superjet, and if it works out, I will be trying that later as well.
much. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
These skis are both insane.
What is that? What makes that one insane?
It's way more agile, it turns way quicker, it handles way better than I could have ever imagined.
Really?
Yeah. It probably has something to do with the fact that this ski suits me. Like, the way that I expect it to act is exactly how it acts. And well, when I turn into a corner, it gives me more confidence than a lot of other things. Like, I felt like because it was so fast and quick, I was going to be nervous like maneuvering it, but it inspires a lot of confidence. Like, it's still intimidating because I know what's in there and I know how fast I'm going when I'm like starting to turn, but it feels very, very playful, I guess is the best way to put it. It's a very playful ski.
Well, I'm glad it's handling good for you.
Yes, I quite enjoy this ski.
But on smooth water, it does a lot better. When it starts getting rough,
then it's scary.
It just starts kind of skipping across waves and just kind of like...
I could kind of tell by like going over my own wakes and like going over your wakes a little bit. It starts hopping around a lot, and
when you're turning and you're hitting waves, it just starts kind of skipping out, and
when it fetches,
it's not like it takes your confidence away, but it's telling you like this could get bad.
yeah, it could hook up and throw you, or
it's like telling you, hey, it's time to back off a little bit unless you want to eat.
Yeah. I mean, obviously it's pretty smooth out here today, but I kind of had that sensation a couple of times from like hopping over just like the wakes. The difference between this and the V8 is it's heavy enough that it stays very planted, like even when you're kind of like skipping, it's still crazy.
It will skip sometimes,
Yeah,
but it doesn't usually.
yeah, yeah. Like I said, playful. She's a real buoy cruiser. Yeah, I think almost everything has kind of had some kind of glitch, but this,
It does have this.
Old Faithful,
Old Reliable.
Old Reliable.
We can change it to Old Faithful.
Old,
No sense in Canadian.
Old Faithful's a geyser in Yellowstone, isn't it?
Yep.
We don't have fish in Canada.
Yeah, right? Alright, I got some more weird questions for you.
All right.
So I know that you like the two-stroke stuff.
Yeah,
The old school two-strokey, standy-uppy, small.
yeah.
You seem to be genuinely having a good time with that.
I was definitely having a lot of fun on this.
Now, I'm just wondering if you're doing that because you're Canadian, you have to be polite and nice all the time, or if you're actually enjoying it.
No, I genuinely enjoy it. Well, there you have it, folks. A little bit of footage from when I was visiting the Jet Ski Brothers last year. If you liked what you saw, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more nonsense like this and a whole lot of other stuff, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see a different perspective on this same event with some different camera angles and probably a whole lot better editing, then be sure to go check out the Jet Ski Brothers channel linked in the description below. Josh got a whole bunch of footage from when I was out there last year, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. So be sure to go check that out. I am currently working on my 1100 triple out of the X2, and I'm going to give you guys just a quick peek of it because I just can't not. There we have it. That's all you get. So you'll have to put that on pause. The next video about the 1100 will be a powder coating video. I am all finished doing that, and I expect to have that video out this Sunday. I am working on building the engine, and that video should be out fairly soon. After that, I will be installing the Zealtronic CDI. Hopefully, sometime in the near future here in Alberta, we actually have some liquid water, and I'm able to test this thing and take it out for a ride. I am very excited for what we have to come this year. I hope you guys are as well. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.
This is going to get real interesting.
I think the question that everybody really wants to know is how many more colors were in the new wiring harness compared to the old wiring harness?
Now, although I find that question endlessly fascinating, and there's nothing I would love more than just standing around talking about the jet ski made by Yamaha, owned by Kawasaki Corporation.
Yes.
I think we should actually just go out and ride.
Caleb!
So you guys